What's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. Today we're going to talk about, let's say, which one we're going to talk about. Let's use gold. Let's use gold because you've been messaging me, telling me that you missed my analysis. Now we're going to apply price action on gold and see what what we have on the table. You know? So at the same times we will just trade it. Once we analyzed, we need to prove what we are doing. So this is let's just go to forward time frame. As I told you, the bigger time frames are always there to give you direction. So we were supposed to start from their time frame, but it looks the same. Let's just go to 4 hours time frame, and we are starting by an uptrend trend line. As you can see, this is a trend line that we have now. So myself, without thinking too much, I can see an opportunity of buying. Why am I saying that? I will show you this. Just check where price started from, comes back here and does this and did this and went up. So let's stop from here. Once you see from what I did, straightforward, what you should see is that we have a head here, we have a shoulder here, and we have another shoulder here. So obviously this was a clear and clean buy, after breaking previous high or breaking a neckline. I hope you saw that I bought this. You saw the video that I bought gold once it was somewhere here and I made money. And then after leaving this party, this is the previous higher high that we had. Check what happened from above there to come here and do this and this and this and this and goes up. So what also do you see from there? What you can see is this as a shoulder, right? As another shoulder, and then we have here a head, which is gives us a pattern, the same one we have previous day. So now, once price decided to give us that certain pattern, what do we think about selling or buying? So exactly the buying level was this. After price created another shoulder, it went up and breaks previous high, which is a neckline that we have here. It did differently because here previous it went up and comes back to retest previous shoulder, but this time around it didn't. It just went up, then it comes back to retest this previous zone. So you can see what is happening. Also yesterday I bought gold. I hope you saw my videos in short videos. So this is 4 hours time frame. Let's just go to just 1 hour. you know let's just jump on 1 hour and check what you can see from there. What you can see from there without wasting time is that with this, after breaking this zone, this is the key that shows us everything that we need to know. you know so this zone comes from that side, it comes from this side where price has been forming those patterns that I told you about. After breaking previous high, you can see where it comes from. After breaking it, it just comes back and breaks it again. It was against previous neckline. you know you can see it was against this previous neckline. As I told you, we have a shoulder here, we have another shoulder, we have a head. This was inverse head and shoulder is a strong pattern that stands for buying. So after breaking this neckline and price shot up and managed to break previous high and it comes back to retest that neckline. This way it managed to set a strong supporter before it goes up. So after going up, it managed to break that line again. Then it comes back to test the previous support that it created immediately, but it failed also to touch it. This makes our supporter to look strongest ever. So now after going up and try to break that zone comes from there. This that I'm saying, this previous high, once it comes to break it completely, it failed for third time. It's failed. Now check what is going on. So now we are going up, no matter what. If you don't see it, I don't know where your eyes are. But as I am explaining this, I hope everyone should understand this. So this is 10 minutes. Let's just check 15 minutes. Then I will know what to do now because I see straightforward a buying a buying opportunity, which is what I am going to do. So now what I'm gonna do, I will just give you this uptrend trend line, right? And then I will give you this stronger zone, which is stronger support that we have, and I will give you this from this side, you know, because this comes from this side where we were talking about from a bigger time frames, because this is where we got this confirmation from. Because if you check down trend line, it is where all comes from. Down trend line is been completely broken. It's been completely broken. Once price comes to it didn't manage to break this and come and touch down there. So we have a confirmation. As you can see, we have pushing everything here. So price is going up. So myself here, I have this account of 3,600, which is one I'm going to use to buy this gold. So as you can see on my screen, I'm going to use 0.17 and buy gold more position. I will add more three because I need 10 positions because I'm sure of what I'm doing now, That's why I did this. 0.17 is a bigger lot size. Also, I opened more positions because I'm sure of what I am doing now. So you may end up asking me how am I going to press take profit or a stop loss, So since we have this is as our supporter, now I'm sure price might come back, but it's not gonna just go over from there. I'm not sure, but I will consider my stop loss to be a little bit below of here. Why am I pressing it here? It's because if you go previous, there is a smaller and weak zone here, so it's a little bit below of this previous low of gold. It may come to test this, but it won't come to test the previous here. So now, where am I going to set my my stop my take profit? My take profit is going to be here, the first take profit. Why am I pressing this here? Exactly must be here. I'm pressing this here according this, because I know once price went up comes back and this way it stopped from breaking previous high. and comes back down. Once tried to break it again, it failed, it rejected, which means here there's something. So it just went up. So my take profit will be on this zone, right? This will be the first take profit, and then second take profit will be somewhere here, and then from there I will know if I will have to hold or if I will have to close. So for now, let's just pause for our videos here, and then we will come back and see if our gold will shot up from here we took it from to first TP, and then from first TP to second TP. Then we will know if we can close or we can keep holding it. So keep your eyes on my screen and tell me in the comment section what you think about analysis. If there's something that you have to correct me about, then what's up, my people? This chicken here, guys. So here we comes back. We comes back to see what happened according to what you were talking about. Um. Uh, on my M5 here, you can see our count of 3,600 currently is standing on um 1.2 1,200 and something, 200 and something. So as I told you, what I explained you about is what happened. So you can see that gold have managed to break up, and then you can see this was our entry point. See, and as we're talking, it's still pushing up. So with a bigger movement, it's going up like nobody's business. So it's up to us if now can just choose to close with this 1,300 and something, or if we can just keep on holding it until this level. So myself, since I targeted the first TP, and it's been just reached first TP, second TP is above there. So it's up to me to decide whether I close or I keep on holding these. So let me just end my video here, so I can give you a time to analyze what I told you about. You can just have a time to look into my analysis and learn something new, or just give me any idea if you think there is something else I should have done which I didn't. Then leave your comment in section below, because you won't be helping me, only you'll be helping the community. Always we do this for helping others to learn and understand what is going on. So there is you guys who are always asking me about helping you or to manage your accounts. So the answer is it's not easy to have a time to manage your accounts. I wish I can. I wish I can help you guys, because I know you've been losing money and you need to make money. But if I say that I'm opening to manage your account just to help you to grow your account, it will take me more times which I don't have. And everyone can come and bring account, so I won't handle it. I will be lying. But I will give out an opportunity, maybe to help, let's say 3 people per month. Every month I can be just choosing 3 people to help with their accounts. But the account must be at least minimum of $1,000. So I can just help only 3 people every month. Otherwise, I can't have that time. I need you to make money. I need to see you progress. I need you to see you or commenting at the testimony of what Jay have helped with you guys. So enjoy your day. Myself, I will be ending my videos here. The rest, you need to follow up. What God do we do next? So Jay loves you all.